Hello everybody and welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are here today. We're going to check out the new things at Disney's Animal Kingdom and we're going to ride on Kali River Rapids. It recently reopened after a long refurbishment. So if this is your first time to the channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We made it into the park and now spring break has just ended. So we'll see how high the crowd level is for today.
I can see it all the time.
Kilimanjaro Safaris is only a 20-minute wait right now, so we are going to head on Kilimanjaro. All right, we got lucky. We are now on Kilimanjaro Safaris. It was less than 5-minute wait.
If you look above your heads, there is an animal spotting guide. We probably won't see all of those animals, but we have some pretty good luck. Just remember to stay seated at all times. That includes any little ones. Don't hold anyone up or pass anyone around. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside of the vehicle at all times. We brush up against some thorny brush. And remember the white stripes on its legs, kind of like zebra stripes. Okapis are actually the only known relative to the giraffe. Similar skeletal structure, have the long neck and long legs in place. There's actually a mom and a baby, but the baby is further up in the corner right now. I think they're pretty great. These tan antelope are
Wow, they're right here.
They have the amazing ability to leap up 8 feet in the air.
They're very close to the car.
Which is super helpful if they need to get away from a predator.
The bongos are hiding back there.
They are relative to the greater cuda we just saw. Auto-built storks on our left. Stand about 5 feet tall, have a 9-foot wingspan, and they mate for leg. That is a mating pair. And the pink rock pelicans get their pink coloring during mating season to help them attract the mate. We are going to protect
There are
them from
zebras
predators that may try
right
to
there.
seek them out.
It's just eating something.
Harpy Mountain zebras are pretty unique to hang out with larger groups of animals, like wildebeest, who live more of a survival of the fittest.
Oh wow, look at the giraffe.
Of course, we have this tower.
Look how cool.
Tower's a group.
Is he
These
gonna
are
eat something?
They're
Oh yeah.
20 feet tall, and giraffes are born at about 6 feet tall after 15-month pregnancy.
Oh wow, look at his tongue.
So born at around
there it is,
300
the
pounds
African
after a
elephant.
22-month pregnancy. On the left, there's a mandrill. It's about to go behind this rock. She's really cute. She's about 3 to 4 months old now, I believe.
Oh my god, there she is. Oh my gosh. Look how cute.
She's so cute.
4 months old.
Oh, might not crack if we were to
Oh wow, look at that.
Although I don't know. Ostriches fly that way, but
And they are feeding the ostriches.
so their ostrich eggs are down this path to the right.
Just got off Kilimanjaro Safaris. We had such an amazing safari. Every animal was out. They were feeding all the animals this morning. You gotta go in the morning at like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, 11:30ish. That's when they're feeding all the animals. We had a great safari ride. I am over by the Tree of Life, the center of Animal Kingdom. Right here, there's a shark. You can spot a few animals over here, just in this path alone. Here's that really cool kangaroo. And it looks like there's a rabbit right there. And it looks like there's a vulture. Really neat. Oh, look, a bobcat. Oh, I just noticed that there's a tapir head over here too. There are a lot of hidden animals here in this pathway. This is a stork head. I didn't even see this. Look at this.
You want chocobo? You want chocobo?
Russell has Fisher berries on you. Those
That
are
guy
my
does.
favorite snack. Good. In your hands.
Hello. Hi.
He just has juice in his hands. Okay.
I don't have any food. I just have juice. I know.
Yeah, it's only because they said you had fish and berries.
Yeah.
So she thinks you have fish and berries. No, then he doesn't have any, Kevin. No.
Oh, sorry, Kevin. It is not a busy day here today. The ride wait times are low, and Everest is only a 15-minute wait, but I'm not going to do Everest right now. I'm heading to Kali River Rapids. All right, going on, ready to get wet on a very hot day. All right, we're on. Oh my God. Oh, I just got soaked. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh no, looks like we're stopped. Whoa. Oh God. We're stopped. Here we go. We're gonna get hit. Oh no. Here's the drop. Oh no. I do not like this right now.
It's gonna turn. It's gonna be that.
All right, we're gonna move pretty soon. This is the worst part.
I don't remember this part.
Oh my God. Oh no. Ah! Oh God! Ah! Oh crap! What? Oh my God, I got soaked. Oh my God, that was the worst part. Oh my God! Oh, my phone is drenched. I'm drenched. Now we're gonna spray it off. Oh my God! Oh. Oh my God.
Feels good.
That was crazy.
We all got wet though.
Oh.
Like,
Oh. Oh my God. The water doesn't stop. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh, it went in my ear. It went in my ear. Oh my God. God. There are the people gonna spray us. Oh. Well, that's it. That's the ride. Oh my God, I am soaked. All right, we are done with the ride. That is my first time on Kali River Rapids. I've never been on this ride before, and I am soaked. It is a good thing today it's 90 degrees outside. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.